Okay, full disclosure, this entire video is just me walking down the beach and picking up random shit. Okay, so let me talk about holy stones before I start my long trek down the beach. So this is a holy stone, and I hope you can see, I can see you, so I hope you can see me. If you see that right here, right there, there's a hole all the way through the stone. I'm gonna try and, I can't see on the, oh yeah, you can see, good. So this is a holy stone, also known as hag stones or wishing stones, and they're said to be uncommon and very good luck. So basically what it is a stone that has a hole bore all the way through, where you can see all the way through the stone, and it's done naturally. So usually by water at the ocean or in streams, or where water would be dripping on the stone, the erosion basically creates a perfectly smooth, perfectly round hole straight through the center of a stone. And they're said to be really good luck. So when you find one, they're good luck, pick it up, and you're supposed to make a wish on it. That's why they're also called wishing stones. So I always make a wish and I kiss my stone whenever I find a holy stone. And I had a few of these before, and I found, like I'm recording this right now after I finished my walk on the beach, but it was a really long walk, and I wanted to talk about the holy stone, so I'm gonna put this here in this part of the video. But I found, I don't even know how many I found today, probably 6 or 8 or more, and I had 5 at home. Christopher normally finds some holy stones, but I usually only find like 1 or 2. But today I found, I don't even know how many, I'll count and figure it out. But so yeah, holy stone, hole bore all the way straight through the center naturally, usually by water. And they're also said to be able to see fairies. So if you look through the hole, then it is said that you can see fairies. And if you've watched the movie, what is it? Coraline. And also, what's the one where with Freddie Highmore and the little trolls?
Yeah.
The one with Freddie Highmore, where he sees the little trolls and no one else can see him, but he has to look through the stone.
Oh,
Arthur and the Invisibles. If you watch Arthur and the Invisibles.
That doesn't have a holy stone, I don't think.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Telescope.
Oh, no, there's a movie where it's a hole in a stone.
Oh, Spiderwick Chronicles.
Spiderwick Chronicles. So if you've seen the Spiderwick Chronicles, they look through the hole in the stone, and that's how they can see the fairies and trolls and, you know, all the other little mystical creatures. That's kind of where that came from, is because it's said that if you look through the hole of a holy stone, you can see fairies. So that's my little bit on holy stones, hag stones, wishing stones, fairy stones. That's what they are, and I found a shit ton of them today. So now you will see the rest of the video is me literally walking down the beach and picking up random shit. I hope you can hear me over the wind. It is a glorious day. Look, it's bright and sunny. Look at that sky. Oh, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it's a nice quiet day at the beach. There aren't a whole lot of people here because it's still off season. It's March and it's like 75 today. It's awesome. It's a gorgeous day. And I'm so glad I came. And yeah, so if you want to hang with me while I walk down the beach and find some really cool stuff, then watch the rest of this video. Remember, if you like what I do here, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. And click the bell. That way you get the notifications from YouTube that I've uploaded a video. Then share it with your friends. That way they can hang out with us too. Thank you all so much for being here. Remember, you are fierce, you are fabulous, and you are fucking badass. So keep that shit up, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye! Oh my god. Okay, So today's really nice outside. It's like 70 something degrees today. And I decided to come to the beach. This is the first time I've been to the beach since we got back to the States. And I'm not a beach kind of person. Like, I can't be out in the sun. I'm allergic to the sun. I'm not a beach kind of girl. But on occasion, I do love to come, and I miss the beach so much when we were in Sicily. Because I do like to come when the weather's nice, like in the spring or in the evening in the summer. And then again in the fall, I love to come to the beach. And probably 3-4 times a year. And just be here when it's not too busy and when the sun isn't going to crispy fry me. And this is my first time coming to the beach since getting back. And it's gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God, I miss this so much. You can walk in the sand. There's seagulls. The water. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. Look at the beach grass. Oh my God. Keep in mind, Sicily is an island. It's an island, but hold on, I have to take my shoes off. It's an island, but you don't get this. There are not like sandy beaches and okay, sorry. There aren't sandy beaches like this and places where you can just go to the beach and have like a quiet moment. Those things don't exist there. And I missed this so much. Look. And I have Donut with me. And Christopher, we brought a picnic. We're gonna have a picnic on the beach. Feather! Feather! Yay! Oh my goodness. So I'm collecting things today for my altar. And Donut's trying to chase the damn seagulls. So I'm collecting things for my altar and to maybe make a witch's ladder if I can find enough pieces. I'm not just gonna pick up things just to make a witch's ladder. I'm only gonna pick up pieces that really speak to me, and if I gather enough things. Oh look, a barnacle. Look, I don't know if I'm on camera because I can't see. A barnacle. See, stuff like that can go into the witch's ladder. Look. Thank you. So I'm still living on limited supply, so I've got like plastic bags with me today to collect my goodies in. Thank you, baby. Oh, look, another feather. Another feather. And I brought things to leave an offering. Ooh, look at that pretty stone. Look at how smooth and pretty. Yeah. Oh, look, he found another smooth pretty. Look at how pretty. Look at this one. Oh my God. Stop pulling the leash, Donut. Oh my goodness. So there's somebody else with a dog. Look at, he's loving the sand right now. So. Right, exactly. Right before you get in the car, of course. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna go down to the water's edge and get my dog to stop being a nut. Ooh, look at it. Look. Donut, stop. Jeez. Look. A hagstone. Really pretty. And a shell. Oyster shell, which I kind of need to burn some incense in. Look, a stone with a line. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness.
Do you still collect Holey stones?
Yes, did you find one?
The Holey seashell.
Yeah, I think mine's a seashell too, the one I just found. Oh, but look at that. What's that? Oh my God, that's so pretty.
I'm picking up a green stone.
Oh, thank you, baby. I have a bucket too. Maybe it'd be better to put the things in the bucket because the wind's just too much.
Once we get more stuff in there.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. So I'm just gonna go collect things as I make my way down to the water's edge. And we're gonna have a nice picnic on the beach. This is really hard. Look, you guys just don't even understand. Look. So, let's see if I'm on camera. I got my shoes in one hand. I got the damn leash And Donut's like trying to pull me all over the place. I'm trying to hold this bag and collect stones and film footage, and I'm so distracted. You just don't even understand. I'm like this. Like, I'm so distracted by all the pretties along the beach. I'm so excited and happy right now because I have not had this in years, and I so need this. I so need this, and I'm so happy. So I just need to stop filming for a few minutes and just be here and look at all the pretties and experience
Holy stone.
the beach. You found a holy stone? Let's see. Oh, I'm off camera. It is. Look at it.
This goes through.
It goes through?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it does.
Actually, I think there's another
I don't know
one.
if I'm on. Oh, look. See, it goes through. A holy stone. Oh, that's awesome. Here, stick that. Oh, wait. I have the bag down here. So yeah, see, I'm just too distracted to film right now. Unless you guys want to see all this insanity. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep filming and leave it. I don't know. Because this is me. This is how I really am all the time. Like, I'm excited and distracted by shiny, pretty things. Or, you know, just pretty things in general. They don't have to be shiny. Oh my gosh, I love these little smooth stones. I love these. Oh, look at this one. I think Christopher found that one. Look at, oh my God, I'm so excited and happy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, yeah, I need to free up my hand because I keep looking at this stone. I have to get it. Look. Oh, look at this one. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, bug. Ah. Let me grab my stuff here. And I'm still just is that a shell? Look at that.
These are some of the Zen stones I've ever seen.
Oh, wow. They're so pretty. Can I get it in there? Look at this shell. Look at it.
Look.
What?
Oh, we find this all the time.
What? Oh, yes! Look. Wait, hold it still. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty, and it's still got so much color. Oh my God. That's gorgeous. Look at this one. Look at it. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that shell. It's got like a heart. It's got a perfect little heart. Oh my God.
Did you see that perfect spear that I had for you?
No.
That spear circle.
No. Sea glass. Sea glass. I love sea glass. Look at this one. It's so shiny. Oh my God. Dude, like this is how I really am. I get so excited. I'm like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You found another holy stone?
Right there.
Oh.
Actually, I don't know if it's holy. It might just
I don't know. I love it though. I love the shape. This is me in oh my God, I found a holy stone.
Hey.
Ah, I found a holy stone. Oh my gosh, it looks like a dolphin. Or porpoise. Ah, look at, I found a holy stone. Oh my God, I'm so excited. If you don't know about holy stones, they're said to be good luck. If you find a holy, well, first of all, ooh, look at that. Okay, hold on, wait, I'm getting distracted. Hold on, get that, get that yellow one, that's pretty.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Give me just a second here. Oh, is that a holy stone? It's another holy stone! Oh my God, look how tiny!
Holy stone.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm seriously, once I get settled down, I'm gonna tell you guys about holy stones, but I'm just too excited right now. I can't. I will sit down and tell you in a way that makes sense, I promise. Just give me a couple minutes. Oh my God, I'm so excited and happy. Wow. Okay, I need to sit and just take a moment. Ow, that's sharp. Ow. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to these rocks. I'm gonna come sit over here. This is where we're gonna eat. So it's a little pier that goes out into the water. Look at the seagulls. Can you hear the wind? I wish you guys could feel the wind right now. It's such a gorgeous day. Oh my God, I am so happy. I'm not a beach person. You don't even understand. I am so not a beach person. But sometimes I really am. I'm such a beach person sometimes. Look at this. I smell it. I smell the, you know, the smell of the beach with the like the fishy and the salty and the fresh and the seaweed and the, oh my God, I so needed this. I'll be back. I need a moment. Okay, so I'm still trying to sit down and eat. And is my battery dying? Oh fuck, my battery's dying. But look, I just wanted to grab this stone right in the water's edge. Look, and it's a holy stone, I think. Oh my God, this, the water's freezing on my toes. Okay, so I will record more when I get home because my fucking battery's dead. That's, oh no. It's my memory card that's full. Oh, I can fix that. Hell yes, I have battery, woo! Okay, I have eaten. I have composed myself. Because I really did I really had to have a moment just to sit here and cry, really. So Christopher's already a good ways down the beach, but I'm getting ready to start walking, and I figured I would take you along with me. And the first thing that I'm gonna go collect is in the water. It's a big ass oyster shell. Oh my God, the water's freezing right now. I do actually want to rinse my bucket a little bit. Look, there's seaweed. So I just want to collect this oyster shell. Woo, my bucket. I'm going to go a little further in because I see another one. The water's so cold. Look at, oh my God, with the perfect hole. Cold. I want to see this. I forgot how hard it is to walk on sand. Oh my God. Shit. Oh, that's pretty. I'll take that. Freezing. Oh, is that another one? It is. I love the shapes. Gotta rinse this. Because the sand looks good. Look at it. That's awesome. Oh, freezing, 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 freezing. My toes are frozen. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at this one. And this one. Ooh, I like this one. Look, this one's starting to get a hole. Starting right there. Look at the little tiny sea glass pebble. Pretty. I just touched that. I just touched that big ass piece of seaweed. Oh my God. Holy shit. Should I collect that? Hey, it's not safe to touch. What is that? Oh, I like that stick. That's a gorgeous stick. Oh, look at that feather. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. I love that. Oh, there's another big feather in there. So I'm just walking along the shoreline and seeing what I can see. And if anything jumps out at me, ow, I have very, very, very tender feet. And it's painful to walk on the beach. But but I like it. I like that one. I think I might have found a piece or two of quartz. Ooh, look at this one. Caught in the shadow. I don't know if you can see what I'm showing you, but yeah, look at that. See glass? How pretty! Look at this pretty, smooth black one. I love these smooth black ones. See, like this might be a piece of quartz, but I'm not sure. I can never tell. I'm calling it quartz. It's quartz to me, damn it! Water's cold. So, it's March, and it's like 70 something outside today, but yesterday it was like in the 50s. So, water's still really freaking cold. Really, really fucking cold. Now look at this one. And this one. I can't even tell if I'm on camera because I can't see the screen, so hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm showing you. Hopefully. Ow. Ow. I'm looking. Oh. It's a whole little pile of them. Drop the little black one. Look at these. Gorgeous. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Look, is there another piece of quartz? Maybe. Could be. I don't know. Look at that. Look at it. Perfect and smooth. Ooh, look at that. Everything is interesting and pretty to me. I love it all. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, there's another black one. Another piece of what I'm calling quartz, damn it. Look at it. They're so pretty. I'm looking for some stones and shells and stuff that I can make a real witch's ladder with. But again, I'm not gonna like just put a bunch of shit on there. It's gotta really be what I want. So, all these things that I'm collecting may or may not end up on a witch's ladder. The water's so cold. I have to get my feet out of the water. Okay, so I'm gonna walk along the beach. Oh, is that a holy stone? Ow, ow. No, but it's cool. Anyway, I'm gonna walk along, and if I find something really, really cool, I'll come on and show you. Oh my God, look what Christopher just found. That's incredible. Oh my God, I love that. I absolutely love that staff. That's incredible. Good find. Oh, I would give you 5s, but good find. Okay, so I've walked down. You can see the little pier down there where we started. I've walked down a little ways, and there's like this little oasis in the middle of the beach. And I've lived here for like 13 years. There's another one right over there. I've never seen this before. Never seen it look like this. And I'm kind of wanting to wade over there, but I don't know how deep it is, and it's going to be really fucking cold. So there's another one right down there that I'm going to try and get to first and see what it is. And then I might try to get to the big one over there. Okay, it's really, really cold, really cold, really cold, really cold. And I don't like ocean water because I can't see what's touching my feet. But at least, too deep, knee deep, knee deep. Oh, shit, that was cold. Oh my God, that was cold. And the bottom of my pants are wet. Holy shit. Oh, but I made it. I made it across. Oh my God, that was cold. And my pants legs are wet, like up to my knee. I'm wearing capris, but still. Hello, seagull. Hello, lovely. I don't think I've ever been this far out into the water before because I don't swim in ocean water. Because, like I said, I can't see what's touching me. And there are jellyfish in the water here. So I tend to only go about ankle deep, more or less. But it's warmer over here. The water on this side's warmer. It's not cold on my feet. It's nice and cool, but not cold. It's so smooth. All the shells and rocks and stuff roll up to the shore, but when the tide comes in, you can't even see this. I've never seen this before, this little bank. So I don't know if it's something that has developed since I've been gone, or if it was always here and I just never knew. That's amazing. Look, I'm walking on the water. That's really fucking cool. That's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to try and walk back across in that little shallow area again. Okay, it's cold out here. My feet is freezing. Whoa, that was really cold water. Little pieces of rusty stuff. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I still haven't made it back across the water, but look, a fucking jellyfish. I told you there were jellyfish in the water here. I was not joking. That is a jellyfish washed up on the bank here. And I'm a little freaked out because now I have to get back over there. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. I'm freaking out for real. What is that? Chicken bone. Don't need that. Okay. Ooh. No, okay. Oh my God. I need a shallow piece. Look, this is how the water looks. I mean, the sand looks from the tide going in and out. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. I need a little shallow part. I hope this is shallow enough, and I hope there's no jellyfish. Okay. Oh, it gets really deep right there. Okay, over here. Not so deep. No jellyfish. No jellyfish. Oh, knee deep. Knee deep. Knee deep. Ew, gross. Condom. Ew. 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 Okay, I made it. No jellyfish. Alright, I'm going to continue my walk and then I'll be back. Look at what I just found. I thought it was a rock, but it's not. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous and it's intact and there's nothing living inside of it, so I can take it home in good conscience. Oh wow. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Is that another one? Look at that. Look at. Oh my God. Oh. unearth these on camera because I don't know what they are. That's pretty. This one is the one I want to see. Ooh! Look it! Oh, wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's so many pretties. Ooh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. What's that? Oh my god, is that a sand dollar? No way. I've never found a sand dollar in my life. I'm kind of afraid this is going to be alive. No, not alive. And, not a sand dollar. I think that's a piece of shell. So I've made it to that other oasis, the small one that I showed you that was far away from where I was at. I've made it there now. Oh, wow. A little pool of water moving.
Yeah.
I'm always afraid that stuff that's like right under the sand is gonna be alive. And if I touch something alive, I'm gonna freak the fuck out. I will lose my shit. Oh, what's that? See, is he alive? That's a, isn't that one of the coochie shell things? Oh my god, is he alive? I'm terrified right now. I need a, that's pretty. I'm gonna use this and see if this thing is alive. Oh my god. Oh, it's a crab! He's alive. Okay, I have to save him. Okay, buddy, got you. Just hang on. Oh my god. Don't sting me, I'm saving your life. Okay, go, 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 go. Wait, you're going the wrong way, dude. Seriously? Please be alive and swim away. You were just kicking a minute ago, like a second ago. Swim away. Oh, he's not swimming away. Damn it. Oh, I tried. See, I'm always afraid they're gonna be alive. The fuck? Oh no, that's just a rock. Okay. Random little hole. Someone probably playing in the sand. This is amazing. I cannot believe I'm standing like in a little oasis. Not technically in the middle, but you know what I mean. Oh, what's that? Pretty, pretty, pretty. The water right here is nice and warm. I'm sinking into the sand. Pretty. Oh, is that another holy stone? Oh my gosh, I think it is. It is! Oh my god! Ah. This is like the, I don't know, 4th or 5th one that I found, and Christopher found a few. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, that's incredible. Is that another one? No, okay. That's a piece of glass. Don't want to touch that. Look at this! Look it! It's a oyster shell, but look! Full of barnacles! Oh my gosh, awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy! alive. Here's my shell. Here, what are you? What are you? Oh, no, just a rock. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that one. I don't know if the color is picking up on the camera. Like the iridescence and the beautiful color. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Maybe I just get excited over every little thing, but see, I don't know what that did. I'm not really happy about touching that though. Got another holy stone? Look, two of them maybe. Let me see. Yes, look, there's a hole all the way through. Woo! What about this one? No, just a rock. Look it! Look! Oh, so pretty. What is this? No, I don't know. Look at that! Look it, look it, look it! Oh my gosh! I never find shells like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Is that a hole? Let's see. It does. It goes all the way through. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see, but it goes all the way through. Oh my God. So, fun fact, when you find a holy stone, like I said, you're supposed to make a wish, and I always make a wish right then when I find it, and then I kiss it. So every time I kiss it, I'm getting like salt water, and that kind of freaks me out a little bit. It doesn't freak me out, but yeah, like I said, I don't really care for ocean water. So what is this? That's a big ass rock. Oh, that's interesting. No holes. I'm back in this little shallow area, or in a different shallow area, I should say. Look it, look it, look it. Look it. Look it. I need to like add a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video that it's really long and it's really just me walking through the water collecting seashells. Is that another holy stone? Let's see, let's see. Does it go all the way through? Nope. Oh, wait. Nope, it does not go all the way through, but I still like it. Hi! Is he friendly?
Henry.
Is he friendly?
What are you looking for?
I'm just looking. Look at that one. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Look at. Oh, I see another hole in one. Maybe it's got a hole in it. Let's see. Does it go all the way through? Nope, just a rock with a hole, almost, kinda. I think I will add just a little blip at the beginning of this, letting everybody know. Really, it's just me walking along the beach and collecting rocks. And oh my gosh, look at that! Look at that, and it's a holy stone. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it goes all the way through right there. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, it's another one with a white line. See the white line? These are good luck too. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Look. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Let's see this. Ooh, I need that. Let's check this. Nope. Hi, Henry. Hi. I just met Henry like 5 minutes ago. Does it go all the way through? I don't know, there's a rock in it. It does! Holy shit, look at that! It barrels straight through the middle. Oh my god, that's incredible! Am I getting it? There we go. Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! Look, something shiny caught my eye. Just a little piece of broken shell. Look, doesn't that look like an alligator or something out in the water? It's just seaweed, but I think that's a piece of a tree. Oh, in the water, in the water. Oh. Could it be? Could it be? Let's see. Nope, not all the way through. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make my way over to those pipes and then back to where we started. Okay, so I'm actually kind of terrified of the big rusty penis, but I want to know what it is. So I'm gonna try and drag it up out of the water. If I can. Oh, God. Oh, it's heavy. It's really heavy. What is this? The fuck is that? Rock? What is it? I don't know what it is. Piece of metal with a hole in it. I don't know what it used to be, but that's pretty damn cool. Do you see the figure in that? I think I might have to have that. Interesting. I'll take that home. At least for further inspection. Look at that. I don't know what that is. I'm not touching that one.